Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make money on Fiverr without actually needing any skills yourself or fulfilling any services. Have you noticed that over the past few years there's been an explosion, something called the gig economy? Now, more than I've ever seen, people are turning to side hustles and gigs to make extra money on the side. I recently saw a report that these gigs or side hustles are projected to generate $450 billion next year. But what if you don't have any gigs of your own or skills that you feel you can offer? Well, I have a backdoor strategy that's going to allow you to tap into this $450 billion industry without having any skills of your own or even fulfilling any services yourself. It's all in today's training. But first, if you're here, new, welcome to this channel. Our goal is to provide you with the best content to make money on the internet, especially if you're a beginner. I like to think of myself as giving you the facts, nothing but the facts and no BS. And whenever somebody asks me what my favorite way to make money online is, I always tell them affiliate marketing. Why? Well, because with affiliate marketing, you don't have to create your own products, services, or courses. You simply are promoting someone else's program and collecting a commission every time someone makes a sale. It's the best method I know to make money online, no matter what your level of experience is. So I've created this channel where I can release new strategies and give them to you absolutely free. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you'll be the first to know whenever a new strategy is live. So let's get into today's training on how to make money with Fiverr without having any gigs of your own or skills that you feel you can offer. All right. So how can we make money without any skills so you don't have to make money on Fiverr without having any skills? Sorry, that was a bit funny, wasn't it? So how can we make money on Fiverr without having any skills of our own to offer or even setting up a profile on Fiverr? We're going to use a strategy called affiliate marketing. If this is a new concept to you, affiliate marketing lets you promote someone else's product or service while you get a commission on the sale. So let's say someone needs a new website. You don't have to be the one to build the website for them to make money. All you need to do is refer them to someone on Fiverr, and if they purchase that service, you'll get a commission without having to know a single line of code. So let's get into what Fiverr offers. There are actually a ton of affiliate programs that you can find in Fiverr's website, from one-time payments to recurring commissions. And because Fiverr offers so many different services, there's an endless amount that you can promote. From graphic design, building websites, ghostwriting blog articles, dance lessons, health and fitness. There are so many services that you can make money promoting that help people grow their business or enrich their life. Okay? But here's what I would personally recommend using this strategy. Choose your niche. It's important to pick a niche with services that solve a massive problem. Services that can help people build their businesses. Services that help people lose weight, for example. Services that help people make money. Lots of money is what people like to do. The bigger the problem is in someone's life, the more they are willing to pay for that problem to be fixed, which means the more money you're making promoting that service. Now, you need to create a free gift that directs someone to your affiliate offer. So let's say you want to connect business owners with coders that can build their website. What you'll want to do is find the 5 best coders on Fiverr at the best possible price, then build out a list or a spreadsheet where your readers can find them. But Use your affiliate link so that if they do end up going with one of those coders, you'll get a commission on that sale. You can give it away you can give it an exciting headline like top 10 creators to help you build a website for only $5, or whatever you're trying to help people discover. By the way, you'll need to do your homework here to make sure you find the best providers at the best price. Now, even though you can give this gift away for free, you want to ask for their email address in exchange. That way, you can continue to send them additional offers and continue to make money. All right? It's part of building the list. So, you're probably thinking, oh, this sounds great, but how do I get started? Okay? I know the feeling. You're wondering here, you're going to build this free gift and you're going to collect emails and how you'll get people to even find you, or not to mention what additional offers are you going to offer to sell. Now, if you know all of these answers to these questions, that's awesome. Okay? Really awesome. You can take this strategy and get started right away. But if you're like me, when I just got started, you probably need some additional help in putting it all together. That's why I've chosen to partner with someone who's already built a funnel like this, and with many more affiliate products that allows you to make money online without creating a product or service yourself. Takes the hard yakka away, okay? If you click the link in the description, you'll be able to take a special page, take you to a special page where you can see how it all works and how you can get started all for just a few dollars. Yeah, I literally mean just a few dollars. Check it out in the link in my description below, and don't forget to subscribe so you'll know when I release my next training, okay? And see you on the other side. Cheers.